and today, guys, we're going to be making some seafood linguini. So, I have some shrimp here. I've already rinsed them off and I just put them back in the package. Just didn't want to clean too many dishes. These are medium, raw, peeled, and deveined. I have, put this back here. We have some super snow crab legs in this bag right here that we're going to be using. Remove that. Also, we have 2 sticks of butter. We have some lemon juice. We have some minced onion, some minced garlic. We have some better than bouillon roasted garlic base, which is going to add amazing flavor where we don't even need to add salt. We have some garlic, onion powder, black pepper, seasonal, obey seasoning, and some olive oil, and of course our linguini noodles, guys. So let's get started. First thing we're going to do, we're going to boil our noodles. Alright, so I'll be right back. So first thing we're going to do, we're going to salt our water. Our water needs to be as salty as you can see, it's starting to come up to a boil. There's a little boil spots at the bottom. You know, start to bubble at the bottom. It's at a simmer. So, I have some pink Mahalian salt. There it is. And that's what we're looking for, a nice cloudy. See how the bubbles are starting to form? And we want to make sure that our water is at a boil before we add salt, because it scratches the pan, it ruins our pot. We do not want that to happen. I have my linguini noodles here. I like to just kind of dump them in and let them land where they may. And as they do that and they start to loosen, and I just swish it around a little, just like so. Get them in a motion, moving around, get them dancing around. Dancing, 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 yeah. Because my pasta is a dancing machine. Oh, baby. Oh, look at that. Dance, dance, dance. My dog wants to play. Why? I'm actually here. She likes to do that when I'm busy. All you guys have dog lovers and you guys know what I'm talking about. Leave me a message in the comment section. Let me know. When you get busy, do your dog or cat like to act up and do extra stuff? Okay, so I had that going. Pasta down, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna put a lid on it, and we want to mix it around so it doesn't stick. If you want to, you can add a couple drops of olive oil in here to ensure that it doesn't stick, but I'm good with like stirring mine. Alright, so let's move over to the other side so that we can start on our sauce and get our shrimp and everything going. Alright, turn our pan on. Alright, I'm trying to get that a little warm. That's heating up. We're going to add some olive oil to this for the party. And this is the part where we saute up our onion. Now, you can use shallot for this. You have a regular onion. I have a red onion. Or you can use a sweet Vidalia onion. Whatever you have. Like, make this recipe your own, you know? You know, because you're the one that's got to eat it. So the flavors should match your palate and how you want to receive this dish. Alright? So what I want to do is get my onions in. Alright, and I don't have too many because a red onion is kind of strong, and I do love eating it with a burger or a steak or something like that. And I like it in this dish as well, you know, but you can use a shallot or white vanilla onion, how you feel, or you can just leave it out altogether. You don't have to put it in here. This is if I'm cooking something and you don't like it, just leave it out. Just leave that ingredient out. That's what we want to do. So we want to cook these down just a little bit, like so. And so when these become translucent, I come back, I'm going to show you guys what to do next. Okay, so this is what your onion should look like. A little bit translucent, a little delicious. Like I'm saying here. Alright, so now we're going to just add the shrimp. Because we want to cook that shrimp first. Because the shrimp starts off our sauce. Now, we want to season the shrimp up with a little Old Bay. Not a lot. Just a little bit, just for that flavor on it. And this is all we're going to do with the Old Bay. We're not going to put this back in anymore. I just like Old Bay on my shrimp. I'm just telling you, Old Bay on my shrimp. That's what we doing. Pasta trying to boil over on me. Alright. That was a little bit. We'll get that Old Bay on there. Now we're going to hit it with a little garlic powder. A little bit of onion powder. Just lightly sprinkle. Sorry about that, guys. Alright. So, we put some garlic on here and onion powder. Now we're going in with some black pepper. Just a sprinkle. Not too much. Alright. And all of this flavor that we're adding to our shrimp is just going to make base for the sauce. Now we're going to go in with our garlic. Nice, good. You want that garlic. We want that garlic flavor. That's why I'm going in with some garlic better than bouillon roasted garlic. Because we want that garlic flavor to shine right along that butter. And that's all we're going to use of that, because again, we added Old Bay and seasonal, which has salt in it. And we don't want to add too much salt. But I did want to intensify my garlic. Now, if you have regular, just like 3 to 4 cloves of garlic, depending on the size of your garlic, so you can always use that. Smash it up, chop it up really well, and stick it in here. Look at that, amazing. Throwing that up. First stick of butter. Second stick of butter. That make fantastic sauce. I'm telling you, look at it. It's already starting the sauce for it right now. Amazing. Look at that. Bless me, Lord. Ooh. Alright. So sorry, guys. Now, I didn't tell you this in the beginning, but I have chicken broth here. What we're going to do is just add a little, not a lot, like a 1/4 of a cup of the chicken broth, because I don't have wine. I really wanted to use some wine, but I kind of don't have it. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful sauce already? Now, if you don't have the crab legs like I got, I found this in my local supermarket, and I wanted to use them, so I'm going to nuzzle them down. If you don't have these, don't worry about it. Shrimp will work just fine. Even some chicken would work great with this recipe. I know they have the invitational snow crab legs like this as well. You can use that. I'm going to get them down in there. Now we're going to come in with our 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Look at that. Tell me this wasn't an easy dish to make. Now, if you like fresh parsley, this would be the area where you would put it in there. But I'm going to use some parsley, dried parsley, because it doesn't have a flavor where fresh parsley does. Don't let nobody try to fool you and tell you parsley don't have a flavor, because it does if it's fresh. Now, if it's dry, it won't change the flavor. I'm not really a fan of fresh parsley. I do use it. Depends on the dish. But for me, personally, not my go-to. Neither is cilantro. And I add it if I need to. Like if I'm doing like a Mexican dish or something like that that requires that, then I'll use it. Alright guys, so I'm going to put a lid on this, and this gave it beautiful pop of flavor, color on there, so everything wasn't just opaque. So when I come back, we're going to add in that pasta. Alright guys, let's get this pasta in here, just like so. To all my new subscribers, welcome, welcome, welcome. If you're new to this channel, go ahead and hit that like button, that subscribe button, that notification bell, so you be notified every time Shelly makes these delicious the videos or recipes for you guys and everyone else. I love you. Thank you so much. Without you, there'd be no me. I love all the support everyone has been giving me. But if y'all would you guys hit the like button, get me up in the algorithm so that more people can subscribe to me so that I can keep on making these wonderful dishes for you guys, that would be a great help. I would gladly appreciate it. Thank you guys so much. in advance. So we got that pasta in there. Ooh. Top. And then just fold it over. Don't try to be too rough, because if you do, you'll break up the crab legs. And we want to get it in there. It's kind of like shrimp scampi or pasta seafood scampi. How about that? We can call it that. Seafood scampi. This looks amazing. I ain't lying. Like, if it looks amazing to you guys, let me know. I'm about to. How he said? How Trey Songz said? I'm about to dive in. Woo! Guys, I'm going in. Some good old shrimp on my plate. This is good eating, guys. Good eating. I like how the pasta just sucked up all that flavor in there. Turn this off. Alright guys, we're going to move over and give this thing a taste test and let y'all know what's going on. Alright guys, here we go. We're going to give it a taste test. Look at that. It looks absolutely amazing. Oh my goodness, let's get that crab leg in there. Oh God. That crab leg is has that good sweetness to it. That butter. Oh, and here. Oh, look at that. Look at the meat. Look at that. On that with the shrimp. This thing is amazing. Now, if you can find those crab legs in your local store, just go ahead and get it. I'll make this dish. It makes a difference. Alright guys, like, share, and subscribe. And as always guys, have a wonderful day. And I'm going to see you in the next video.